In this story, we will tell about the interesting tale behind the bird and the butterfly and its incredible life lesson for our reality. In a magical forest, the blue bird and the golden butterfly lived in constant admiration for each other but kept a safe distance. Both were unique and charming creatures, known for their incomparable beauty that attracted the gaze of all who crossed their paths. The blue bird, with its brilliant feathers and sweet song, gracefully flew through the forest skies. It was loved by many animals who found comfort in its gentle melody. However, in its heart, the blue bird felt a void, longing for someone to share its world with. Meanwhile, the golden butterfly was a spectacle of shimmering colors that danced through the sun's rays. Its beauty was so dazzling that even the flowers bowed in reverence as it passed by. Despite this, the golden butterfly felt lonely, as it had not found any other creature with whom it could share its joys. One night, during the full moon, a party was held in the forest. All the animals attended, and the blue bird and the golden butterfly were there too, although they remained in opposite corners, timidly observing each other from afar. It was then that the wise Master Ollivander, a mysterious hermit who rarely appeared, emerged among the trees. He sensed the sadness that lingered in the air and noticed the dilemma of the bird and the butterfly. With his wisdom, Master Ollivander approached the two and said, "Divine creatures, why do you distance yourselves when there is clearly a connection between you?" The blue bird looked at the golden butterfly and replied, "I admire her from afar, but I'm afraid she will reject me for being simple and ordinary." The golden butterfly, with golden tears in her eyes, replied, "And I admire him too, but I fear I could never be worthy of such a majestic bird." The sage smiled and said, "You both are mistaken. Each of your beauty is unique and special. You were made to complement each other, not to compare yourselves." Realizing the depth of Master Ollivander's words, the blue bird and the golden butterfly approached each other. And as their eyes met, they saw reflected in each other's eyes the beauty they could not see in themselves before. In that magical moment, the blue bird and the golden butterfly knew they were destined to fly together. Their wings entwined, creating a harmonious dance in the starry sky. From that day on, they became inseparable, spreading joy and beauty throughout the forest. And so, the blue bird and the golden butterfly taught all the animals of the forest an important lesson: true beauty is not just in appearance but in how we share our hearts and souls with those we love.